Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. We are diving into essential part of bookkeeping and accounting for Handmade and Pottery store, where keeping track of every piece, whether it's a clay or a cash, help your business. So Handmade and Pottery store sell variety of items like tableware, sculpture, tools and clay. To run this store successfully, it is important to keep proper financial record. Good bookkeeping make it easy to file tax, can help the business get loan for growth. It also provides useful insight that help in making smart decisions. In short, keeping your account in order is essential for the success of Pottery store. So let's start it. So managing finance in the Handmade and Pottery store can be made simple by focusing on the few important areas. So here we have tracking custom order and commission income. So keep separate both the incomes like custom order and a commission to know exactly how much you are earning from each. Next we have managing payment to supplier and artist. So pay supplier and artist on a time to maintain a good relationship. Then keep an eye of in operating and maintenance costs to avoid overspending. Next, tracking workshop and classes income to monitor the income earned from the workshops and classes to see if they are profitable. Managing online sales, record income from online sales and accurately, especially when selling on multiple platforms. Event accounting for event and exhibition. Note down all the expense for event and exhibition to measure their impact on your earning. Analyzing product line sale. Check which product are selling the most to understand what work best for your customer. Next we have recording visitor and gift shop sale to keep track of sale from the visitor and your gift shops to ensure all the income in is accounted for. By managing this area effectively, you can keep your finance in check, grow your business and stay competitive in the market. So we are driving into the key performance indicator for your Pottery store, a crucial tool to ensure your business stay on track. So KPI help you to measure success, track progress and spot area for improvement. So first we have average sale value. So this metric helps us to understand how much revenue we generate from each customer interaction. So it takes into account the price strategy we used and how well we mixed our product. If the average sale value is higher, it means we are doing well at getting customer to spend more per visit, which is great for profitable. Now, merchandise turnover rate. This is all about how quickly we sell and replace our inventory like Handmade and Pottery and other merchandise. A higher turnover rate means we are efficiently managing stock, avoid overstock and stock out. With that, reducing our storage cost also. It helps us to keep our product fresh and in demand. The gross margin percentage shows us how much profit we are making from the sales after converting the cost of goods sold. It is vital to indicator of the how well our pricing strategy, supplier negotiation are working. The higher the margin, the more profit we are making from each. Next, by tracking sales in specific categories like tableware, mug and sculpture, we can identify our best seller and see where we might need to be adjust our product offering. This helps us to focus on what driving revenue and make better decision about the inventory and marketing. Then customer acquisition cost. This metric tells us how much the cost to bring in a new customer through the marketing and advertising efforts. By keeping this cost low, we can ensure that our marketing campaigns are cost effective and driving profitable growth for the business. Now we have conversion rate. So the conversion rate measure how well our sales channel are performing, whether online or in store. It tracks the percentage of visitors who actually make a purchase, which is crucial for understanding how effectively our sale tactics and websites or store Revenue and profitable for pottery classes. If you are offering pottery classes, it is essential to track the revenue and profitability from them. This helps you evaluate how much these classes contribute to your overall business success, whether they are worth it to continue or need to improving in it. Then employee productivity. So this is the last metric, which look at the average sale each employee generates, helping identify area for improvement in sales, training and staff. Higher productivity means more sale with the same resource, so it is important to monitor this is keep your business running smoothly. So this metric gives us a well-rounded view of our business health and help us to make informed decisions about the price, inventory and marketing. By closely monitoring them, we can ensure that our business keep growing and improving. So now let's talk about how to handle bookkeeping for ceramic and pottery store. Product costing and pricing analysis. To determine the most profitable price strategy, start by analyzing the cost involved in making your products, including manufacturing and material. By understanding this cost in detail, you can identify the area of your optimization. This helps in setting price that cover expenses while ensure competitiveness in the market. Next, we look at profitability analysis by product category. This means evaluating how different category of product perform in terms of profitability. You can uncover opportunities for the product line extension, improve your product mix and refine merchandising tactics. This analysis ensures that you are prioritizing high margin products and strategically manage your inventory for optimal returns. Finally, the sale data analysis helps in understanding your customer buying pattern. By looking at which product are top seller, you can determine which one to focus on and identify the opportunity for upselling, such as complementary products that compare well with your top sellers. Create and implement inventory strategy to keep your store stock and ready to meet customer demand. Start by analyzing your sales data and lead time. By determining reader points based on this data, you will know exactly when to replace the storage and ensure that a customer can always find what they need. Staying on top of the replacement, integrating inventory management with e-commerce platform for online retailers. Your inventory management system with your e-commerce platform is crucial. This integration ensures that accurate stock level are displayed your customer in real time, preventing overselling and frustration that come with the back orders. It is an easy way to provide a seamless shopping experience and maintain trust with your customer. Now, create targeted market campaign patterns with your retailers to design email and social media campaigns that speak directly to your targeted audience. So, based on customer interest and demographic, you are more likely to grab their attention and convert them into the loyal customer. So personalization make your message stand out the crowded inbox and social feeds. Showcase product and customer creation on social media to build brand awareness and attract new clients. Use social media to highlight your store's unique product, artist collaboration and even customer made creations. Next, personalize customer special by implementing a CRM system to track your customer purchase and preference. You can send them personalized offer and recommendation, whether it's a special deal on pottery classes or an exclusive product. This level of customization make your customer feel valuable and increase their loyalty to your brand. Now last we have determined the examine pottery trends to stay ahead to the trend essential to keep your inventory fresh and apparel. To regular analyze the latest development in the pottery world. Whether it's a new material design or a color, and adapt your product selection accordingly. By focusing on this strategy, you will not only optimize your operation but also strengthen the customer relationship and evaluate your brand presence in the market. So keep this principle in mind to ensure long-term success and growth. So let's dive into some interesting insight of the Clinic and Pottery store. This business actually in managing inventory, tracking, sales, as many items are handcrafted and have costs. So here we have our first case study from classes, chaos to creative cash flow. So let's talk about the pottery store that was facing a tricky challenge. They could not keep track of their specific revenue and expenses for their pottery classes. Without this clarity, it became really hard for them to figure out whether the classes they were offering were actually profitable or not. So Meru Accounting stepped in to simplify the cash flow. By separating the accounting, they carefully analyzed the revenue coming from the classes and the cost of material used, the fees paid to the instructor running the workshops. This deeper insight allowed the pottery store pinpoint which classes were the most profitable. Using this data, they adjust the pricing of the workshop to maintain a healthy profit margin while still keeping their classes accessible and attract to customer. This case beautifully show how focused accounting and proper analysis can turn financial confusion into the clean and actionable insights. By understanding where the money is coming from and going, business can thrive just like the pottery store did. Okay, so here we have our second case study from expansion envisioned to financially focused. So let's talk about it. So this store have a big dream. They wanted to open a second location, but there was one big hurdle. They did not have a clear financial plan to figure out if this expansion was truly feasible or not. Without proper planning, and jumping into the expansion could have been risky. That where Meru Accounting stepped in. Our team create detailed financial module and analyze all the key potential expenses, projected sale and funding required for the new store. This insights gave the store owner a clean and data-backed view for the financial impact for their decisions, and the result with this through financially analysis, they confidently decided on their growth strategy. They now had a solid roadmap, ensure that expansion plan were not just a vision but a calculated step towards success. So this story is a reminder that the financial clarity is a foundation of smart business decisions. Whether it is expansion or any major move, having the number to back your vision can make all the differences. So here we have our last case study from craft to commerce. So let's talk about the inspiring journey of hobbyistic potter who turned their passion into the business but face a common challenge: keeping personal and business finance separate. This made a tax filing headache and maintaining clean financial record nearly impossible. So Meru Account stepped in to help her. First, we create a district corporate entity for the patent and ensure the business finance were completely separate from the personal one. Next, we implement efficiently bookkeeping producers to track income and expense, making day-to-day financial management much smoother. So lastly, we ensured checks were paid on time, removing the stress and last minute fumbleness. Removing the stress. The result were transformative. The Pottery could now file tax with easy and complete financial clarity about their growing pottery business and lead a strong foundation for the future growth, all thanks to sound financial management practically. So the story show how even a small business can benefit greatly from the structured financial management. It reminds that the good system not only simplify day-to-day operation but also empower growth and long-term success. So this case studies show that the Meru provide much more than standard accounting service to ceramic and pottery retailers. By offering specially solution, they will help a business to make well-informed decisions about the expansion and profitability. They introduce separate accounting for the pottery classes revenue expansion and allow business to see true profitability for their workshop. They also support ceramic and pottery business with the better inventory management and accurate product cost analysis. Effective marketing strategy. So, Meru Accounting offer insight into the profitability analysis, guidance and sustainable to the business growth. Sound financially management practice. All of this ensure that the ceramic and pottery business not only growth but also competitive in the market. So thank you so much everyone to watching this video on bookkeeping and accounting for ceramic and pottery store. I hope the insights shared today help you better manage your finance and grow your business.